The Triumph Street Scrambler, a little gem, arrived this morning in our workshop. It's a 900 model on which we're going to mount this bag, the LR25. It's an excellent bag, a great travel companion, clearly in the extendable version to handle, let's say, a good weekend getaway. Now let's mount the frame. Here we are assembling the frame on our Street Scrambler 900. First, let's remove our seat using our key. Just turn it as you know and pull the seat off. The three pieces you'll receive are this small bracket that goes in this position. Then we have this one that will be positioned here. And on this bracket, which is usually called a multifunction bracket, we'll put the essential part, the small frame where you hook the bag. We'll then mount our small bracket in this position, after which we'll tighten all the pins. The second piece to mount is this bracket. We'll position the multifunction bracket exactly as it aligns with the holes. I'm reusing the same pin for the shock absorber, keeping the original one even though another is supplied. Once we've mounted the first bracket and the multifunction bracket, there's another pin we'll use. We're going to tighten this part now. It's very important that when you insert the pins, always start them by hand to ensure you're certain that the threads are catching properly. Now that we've mounted the first part, we're going to assemble this other piece as well. To mount this piece, we also need this small spacer which goes on the front to allow the bracket to sit a bit straighter. Once we've mounted our nice frame, we can easily close the saddle and attach our bag.